We are going to be treating other nations' high school completion equivalent. That is for every final exam of high school using Waec past question paper. As an example, we are going to start from 2019, the OBJ, to 2024. I encourage you, if you are about to write Waec or any nation high school final exam, to be a part of this. Or if your children or your ward is about to write any high school final exam, please subscribe, because this is going to be a continual process. We start from 2019 OBJ from number 1. We continue doing that from time to time until 2024. You are welcome to this program. So let us start from number 1 of the objective questions of 2019, where we are asked to express .003597 will be equals to, now the preceding zeros are not significant figures, except when the 0 is sandwiched by other digits. But for this is not a significant figure. These other 2 zeros are not significant figures. This is 1, 2, 3. But the fourth one is up to 5. We round it up and call it 1 and add it to this very 9. So our answer will be 0.00360. That will be our answer. We have now corrected this to 3 significant figures. And that is option C in the past question paper, option C. That is for number 1. Number 2 of the OBJ, we are expected to evaluate. We are expected to evaluate 0.064 all raised to power minus 1/3. In our solution, this will now be 64 over 123. 123. All raised to power minus 1/3. This is presenting as 1/64 over 1000 raised to power 1/3. The negative sign has disappeared by writing it this way according to indices. So this is presenting as 1000 over 64 all raised to power 1/3. But remember, this is presenting as the cube root of 1000 over 64. And the cube root of 1000 is 10. And the cube root of 64 is 4. We simplify to the lowest term. This will give us 5/2. And that is option A in the question paper, option A. Number 3, let's clean our board and continue. Number 3, we expected to simplify y plus 1 over 2 minus 2y minus 1 over 3, and this is equal to 4. We are solving, we expected to solve. In our solution, find the LCM of 2 and 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 will give us 6. So we now have 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times the numerator, we have 3 bracket y plus 1 minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. And this will give us 2 bracket 2y minus 1. And all this will give us 4. We open the bracket and cross multiply. This will be now 3y plus 3 minus 4y. Negative and negative will give us positive. 2 times 1 is 2. Equals to 6 times 4 will give us 24. We now collect like terms. We have 3y minus 4y, and this is equals plus 2 plus 3. That will give us plus 5. Excuse me, this is 4y plus 5, and that is 24. We now have 3y minus 4y. This will give us minus y equals to 24. The positive 5 crossing becomes negative 5. And so minus y will now give us 19. Did I say this is 19? But the variable cannot be negative. So we divide by minus 1. Both sides divide by minus 1. Therefore, y will give us equals to minus 19. And that is option B in our past question paper as it is. That's for number 3. Now let's clean our board to continue. Clean our board to continue to number 4. Number 4, we expected to simplify and correct our answer. To 3 significant figures. We have 27.63 squared minus 12.37 squared. For our solution to this, you remember that you are told that a squared minus b squared will give us a plus b times a minus b. We apply the difference of 2 squares. So this becomes 27.63 plus 12.37 times 27.63 minus 12.37. And now we solve. We add as we have it there, and thereafter we now multiply the result. So we add. If we add this very 2, we are now going to have, this is 0, 6 plus 7 is 0. We carry 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 0, we carry 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 7 is 10, 0, we carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 2 will give us 4. This is times, we now subtract here. This is 13 minus 7 will give us 6. This remains 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Now we have 7 minus 2 will give us 5. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So what we have is 40 times 15 and 26. We now multiply this to get the final answer. We multiply that, just multiply as it is given there. And what will it give us? Yes, I hope you are participating. You are listening. Can you tell us what that will result to when we do that? When we multiply that, what will be the result of what we are told? Of course, we now multiply. This is 0. For this, 4 times 6 will give us 24. We have 4 and carry 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0. We carry 1. And 4 times 5 will give us 20. And 20 plus the one we carried is 21 carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. And we have 1, 2, 1, 2. Our answer is 610.40. That is for number 4 of the question. Number 4. I hope you're following. We now go to number 5 of this very question. Number 5. We expected in number 5 to solve this. And that is mode if 7 plus y is equal to 4 or 8. We expected to find the least value of y. 10 will be less or equals to y, and y will be less or equals to 30. We expected to solve this, and that is question on modular question. Lest we forget, this is, remember we are in the number 4, we are asked to leave our answer to 3 significant figures. By that, you know that this is no longer necessary. And this is option D. Therefore, the number 5, we have 5, or rather 7 plus y is equals to, as we are told, equals to 4. But we're talking about module 8. So what we do, we add 8 here. And so that will be 7 plus y, and that will give us 12. Which means y is equals to 12. This positive 7 crossing becomes negative 7. And that will give us 5. But you can agree with me, the question says that y must be greater or equals to 10. 5 is not up to 10. How much more greater than that? So what we now do here, we now say that y is equal to 5 plus 8. And that will give us 13. So y is 13 in this module, and that is option B. For number 5. Now number 6, question number 6. Let's clean the board. Number 6 question, we are told that if t is equal to the set of prime numbers and m is equals to odd numbers, if they are all subsets of the universal set, which is equals to the set of x, such that 0 is less than x and x is less or equals to 10. And x is an integer we're expected to find t prime intersect m prime. In a solution to this, we now write the universal set is equal to the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to 10. While t, which is the prime numbers in this very universal set, that is 2, 3, 5, and 7. And m is the set of 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Therefore, t prime, which is all the elements in the universal set that are not in t, that will be the set of 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. While m prime, all the elements in the universal set that are not in m, that are not in set m, are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Therefore, t prime intersects m prime will now give us all the elements in t prime that are not, all the elements in t prime and all the who are members of the m prime, and that will give us 4 is in t prime and 4 is in t prime in m prime. 4, 6 the same, 8, and 10. And that is option A for number 6. Remember? Now, number 7. Clean the board to solve number 7. In number 7, we are expected to evaluate. Let's clean the board. Number 7, evaluate. Log 9 base 3 minus log 8 base 2 all over log 9 base 3 We now express this in such a way that the log will be the same as the base, and then I simplify. That will now be log 3 raised to power 2 base 3 minus log 2 raised to power 3 base 2 divided by log 3 raised to power 2 base 3. That will result to 2 log 3 base 3 minus 3 log 2 base 2 all over 2 log 3 base 3. So now solve on, we can see that what you now have is 2 times 1 minus 3 times 1, because when the base is the same as the log, the result is 1. Remember, so this will now give us 2 times 1. So we have 2 minus 3 over 2. That will result give us minus 1 over 2. Option D. That's number 7. Number 8, let's clean the board. Question number 8. We are told that if 23y 23 this y is equals to 1111 base 2, we expected to find the value of y. By so doing, we now have the 2, 3y. We now result to, this is 0, this is 1. We now have 2 times y raised to power 1 plus 3 times y raised to power 0. Remember that this is 1111 base 2. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this will now result to 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So this will now give us 2y plus y raised to power 0. This is 3 times 1. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. This equals to 1 times 8, that's 2 raised to power 3, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is 4, plus 1 times 2, any number raised to power 1 remains the same number, plus 1 times 1. This is 2y plus 3 equals to 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So we now have 2y equals to 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15. The positive 3 crossing becomes negative 3. So we have 2y divided by 2. That will give us 12 divided by 2. So y, therefore, is equal to 6. Option C. Remember that we say that that is number 8. Number 9, question number 9. Zero BJ, we expected to solve this. Let's clean the board. Number 9. Number 9 says if 6 P and 14 are consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression, find a value of P. We have 6P 14. So we find a common difference. Common difference D is equal to P minus 6. Still common difference is 14 minus P. Since P minus 6 is equal to D and 14 minus P is equal to D, that implies that P minus 6 is equal to 14 minus P. We now collect like terms. We now have P. This negative P crossing becomes positive P equals to 14. The negative 6 crossing becomes positive 6. So we have 2P divided by 2 equals to 20 divided by 2. Therefore, P is equals to 10 for number 9. And that's option B. Let's go to now question number 10. Question number 10. Clean the board. In question number 10, we expected to evaluate two sub 28 minus 3 sub 50 plus sub 72. We have to find the value. This will give us 2. We now break this very number into 2, where one of the 2 must be a perfect number, and that will give us 4 times 7 minus 3, so 25 times 2 plus so 36 times 2. This is 2. The square root of 4 is 2. So 7 minus 3. The square root of 25 is 5. So 2 plus The square root of 36 is 6 sub 2. We now collect the like term. This is 4 sub 7 minus 15 sub 2 plus 6 sub 2. So that will give us 4 sub 7, collecting the positive, 6 sub 2 minus 15 sub 2. So that will give us 4 sub 7 minus 6 minus 15 will give us minus 9 sub 2. That is option C for number 10. Number 10. Number 11 of the question. Number 11.